This statement of work is being used like crazy through our tool. Here's how to scope a remote desktop server installation. Here's me, and here's my client. It sounds like they need us to help install a remote desktop server. Let's dig in so we can scope this out. Hey Kyle, thanks for your time. Can you start by telling me a little bit about this remote desktop project you have? Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for stopping by. We have several high-capacity video editing machines, but we really need our team to be able to access them remotely. Our team has laptops, but when they can't get into the office, we need them to be able to access these high-capacity machines remotely. Editing on those laptops is really slowing us down. Got it. So I definitely agree that a simple remote desktop server install would help your team out a lot. Can you tell me what kinds of applications you need to remotely access? It's mainly the Adobe suite that's bogging us down. It's really like 4 apps rolled into one. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and take this information and scope this out really quickly. I can give you an estimate on this on what it would take before I leave. So go ahead and go grab a coffee and we'll talk through it when you get back. So our client needed help with a solution that would allow them to remotely access some high-capacity editing machines. We were able to scope this project out by asking some very specific questions, and we were able to provide an estimate before we even left the meeting. You can download this template for free at scopestack.io.